Congratulations and welcome to the Hiland family of fine crafted cycles. Assembly of your new bicycle begins by unpacking it from the box. The required tools for install are a number 4 and a number 5 hex or Allen wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a number 15 open-end wrench. Step 1. Assemble the front wheel. Separate the front wheel quick release. Insert the quick release lever onto the hub. Put the spring on, and then tighten the quick release nut. Make sure that the fork is in the right direction before continuing. Place the fork onto the axle, keeping the quick release lever on the left side. Then lock the wheel in place using the quick release.
Step 2. Assemble the handlebar. Using the hex Allen wrench, unscrew the bolts on the stem and remove the stem cover. Place the handlebar on the stem and screw the stem cover back onto the bike, holding the handlebar in place. When tightening the stem screws, alternate tightening them in a diagonal fashion for a proper fit. Before tightening the screws fully, center the handlebar assembly with a comfortable angle for the rider and then fully tighten, alternating as you did earlier. Align the handlebars and front tire and tighten the stem screw securely.
Step 3. Assemble the front shifters. Ensure the rear hand shifter is on the right side and the front hand shifter on the left side. Turn the shifters to a suitable location, then use the Phillips screwdriver to fully tighten the screws. Step 4. Assemble the saddle seat. Adjust the seat height and position for the rider's comfort. Then use a hex wrench to tighten the inner screw. Step 5. Assemble the pedals. Place the correct pedals marked L or R onto the crank arm and rotate them using the open-end wrench until tight. For the left pedal, rotate counterclockwise. For the right pedal, rotate clockwise to tighten. Step 6. Don't forget the reflectors. It will help keep you safe when riding at night. For any issues regarding your Hiland bicycle, such as speed change problems or disc friction problems, please watch other related videos from Hiland.